love snowmen and turtle doves in twos. Holly, ivy, mistletoe can take away my blues. Kris Kringle and his reindeer friends, they endlessly amuse. But the best part of the holidays is sugar and booze. I love mittens and skating on the ice, but I glide right through December, mixing naughty with that nice. So pour a nip into that nog and let it light your fuse, because the best part of the holidays is sugar and booze. Wake up, baby, don't you hit the snooze. Just forget the headlines and the news. Pop a cork, put on your dancing shoes. Give me honey and hooch and I'll give you a smooch, and let's give those devils their dues. I like cider, but keep it spiked with rum. What good's a little drummer boy with no pom-pom-pom? Come New Year's Day, we'll all resolve those extra pounds to lose. But now's the time we let it rip with sugar and booze. Once a year we all deserve some fun. Life is short, so I live like a nun. Grab a fork, there's damage to be done. King Wenceslas hit the sweets and sauce, so give me